Ship4wd is a digital freight forwarding platform that moves your cargo and business forward. Here, take a look. Getting quotes and booking your shipment with us is as simple as booking a flight. First, sign into the platform and click on Search Quotes. Choose the type of shipment you need: full container load, less than container load, or air cargo. Specify the origin and destination of your import or export, whether it is port-to-port, door-to-door shipping, or any other combination. Next, specify the details of the cargo you would like to ship, and select the date of shipment. No more sending requests and waiting days for responses. With Ship4wd, you can search and receive quotes instantly. If you require additional services, you can customize your shipment to meet your needs. Need assistance after hours, such as evenings, weekends, or holidays? Our expert team is always ready to give you the assistance you need, 24/7, no matter the size of your business. Last but not least, with Ship4wd, you know exactly where your shipment is at every step of the journey. Enjoy less headaches and more clarity with a digital freight forwarder who understands your needs. Quote, book, pay, and track your shipments in minutes. Ship4wd. We move your cargo and business forward.